Hey everybody, Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota. I am your Triumph champion here in Motoprimo, and this is the 2018 Bonneville Speedmaster. A quick walk around here, and then I'll get into a little bit about the bike. This is brand new, based off the bobber. Obviously some differences here with the two-up seat. You got that new rear subframe that attaches all that back end together so you can have a passenger on this bike. Cool thing is on this is all the upgrades similar to what the Bobber Black has, with a few differences. So you have the wider front end, the bigger front tire, so you go to the 130 front tire, really nice Avon tires on these, Brembo brakes, and these are dual disc, so you have these on both sides instead of the single disc that the old Bobber had. Same 1200 motor, but a lot more chrome, you'll notice on these bikes. This is the cool two-tone. And then you have this subframe add-on here. So from what we've been seeing, just looking at the bikes, realistically, everything up to about here on the Speedmaster and the Bobber are about the same. Then you have the addition here off the frame, and these new rails and the new seat coming all the way back here. This is all going to be brand new for this bike. So it just gives you a lot more structure. Passenger peg setup. As you can see here, it's just bolted on, kind of where, and I'll show you on the other bobber here in a minute, kind of where the other bobber didn't have anything. So this bike has forward controls, removable passenger gear, so you can run this as a solo bike. They look really cool like that. ABS traction controls all standard on this bike, along with the ride modes. So keys on your right thigh, I'll key it on here. Same gauge as you can see here. Controls are all the same, with the addition of one new button on the left hand control. And that's this guy. That's your one press cruise control. So you see on the dash, if you can notice it, it's right there above the neutral. That's your cruise control, lets you know it's turned on. You can turn it off. And there's no resume, there's nothing like that, so it's a really simple, easy to use process there. Now all the lights on this bike are LED now, including the headlight. Really nice bright white, so you should have a lot more visibility at night. Now I have ridden this motorcycle, it's fantastic. I'm about 6 foot tall, a little over 200 pounds, depending on the day. And it actually fits me really well. The forward controls that they have now, instead of the mids, which would be about right here on the bobber, give your leg plenty of room. So more American style. You can see where leg position would be. Let me try to balance here. So you got leg positions out in front of you, but not too bad. You can hold the tank real nice. Bar position there is a little bit different because these are kind of a retro style, so they're low, and then they have this kind of buckhorn almost feel to them. Now I've ridden this motorcycle before, not this particular one, but one just like it, and the feel was actually really nice on the road. Really comfortable, felt really classic. So I think you'll all really appreciate it. Now we'll fire this bike up. A little bit more sound to it. This is the 2018 Triumph Speedmaster from Triumph. This is Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota. I hope you guys like this video. We can do some more in-depth videos, ride videos, as we just had a blizzard yesterday. We're not going to do that right now. Check us out online at www.motoprimo.com for all the gear and accessories you'll need to hit the road. And real quick, just so you can see this. That should have been the close, but see the bolt holes right here? This is regular bobber. Now obviously this one's stripped down a little bit, but bolt holes right here, so there's a little pre-thought here for passenger pegs. And you do have bolts. So is it a possibility you can make one of these into one of those? You do it. I'd love to see it. Thanks guys.